Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and we're back with the WeatherX weather radio, and we just did a discharge. The built-in battery apparently was charged, and I had the light on and the radio on, and it lasted about 3 hours on that little built-in battery. So now we're going to just had lunch, so I got a little bit of strength. We're going to try a crank charge. And my test is I crank for 60 seconds, and I rest for 60 seconds, crank for 60 seconds. And I do that till I get 5 minutes of cranking on it, and then I see if it plays. So here we go. The radio is, I'll try to turn the light on. It's dead. Not completely discharged, but it's discharged enough that the lights don't even come on. So here we go. Pull the crank out. And like I said before, you got to be careful with these because this is really kind of chintzy plastic. So you got to be careful. So I'll hold it nice and snug. Now some of these radios, one of the problems is you can't grasp it strongly. It's just got too many things in the way or whatever. This one has a good hold, or I have a good hold. So here we go. Oops, I need a timer. Where's my timer? Holy cow. What happened to my timer? Oh, it's on the other side of the room. Hold on. You can tell I was never a Boy Scout because I'm never prepared. Okay, we're going to do a clear, and then we're going to start it, and then we're going to quickly grab this radio and start cranking. And it is hard to crank. Oh, I got the radio on. Okay, we turn the radio off real quick. The radio started coming on because, wow, it's cranking. Okay, we'll crank it for a little longer because I hesitated there. I'll try to. And I don't know if I'm going to pass this test or not. You can tell it's got a pretty good dyno if it's really resistant. I know I've got a cheap flashlight that I got for $1. It's supposed to be rechargeable just like this one is, and there's no resistance at all, and it doesn't charge. Okay, we're up to 47 seconds, and I've got to add probably 6 seconds or 5 seconds on top of that because I stopped to turn the radio off. Okay, there's 60 seconds. We'll go 10 more seconds. There, okay. Now we're going to rest. Woo, and I need a rest. Woo, the old fingers hurt. We'll reset this. Clear. Okay, button work. Oh, I got to stop first. Got to stop first, you dummy. Now we're clear. Now we're cleared. And I'll rest my hands, and I'm watching the a clock over here. When it turns over to 7 minutes, that's probably 60 seconds. I don't know. I wasn't watching it that closely. Oh, I did find one drawback. Oh, it turned over. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. We will start, and we'll crank. I was going to say one drawback I found is it doesn't come with the AC adapter, and it doesn't even come with a cable to hook it up, to hook up an AC adapter, because it does use 4.5 volts, which is basically what your USB output is. So if they provided a cable or an adapter with the cable they provided, you could just plug it into your computer. They didn't provide that, but I did find an adapter that I think will match it. That's a drawback, that it doesn't come with the cable or the adapter. And my arm is already starting to cramp. We're at 53 seconds. With 60 seconds, okay. I'm just going to let this one run, and it'll tell me that I've waited 60 seconds. So I'm going to write down, because I'm going to forget, as you know from the previous videos. I forget what I'm doing. So that's the second crank. So I'm going to put down two scratch marks. So that's the second crank. I'm going to do 5. Actually, my shoulder hurts more than my hands do. Okay, we're going to watch this little timer here. Shake my hands out. When I was looking for that AC adapter, I opened this one drawer that I have up here with AC adapters, and I must have had 100 of them in that drawer. And I kept looking and looking and looking, trying to find a 5-volt AC adapter. Well, I finally decided it's time to sort these. So let me reset this now. Stop, clear, start. This will be number 3. Hope I don't break it along the way. And you get this little red light here that tells you that it is charging. But it does, this crank does feel kind of puny, like it could easily break. I'm trying to be careful, not stress it the wrong way. I'm sure stressed the wrong way. Oh, God. Oh, now my thumb's starting to hurt. Whine, whine, whine. Both me and the radio. Okay, 45 seconds. 45 seconds. Oh, I got 2 more of these to go. 52 seconds. I may have to switch hands next time. Okay. Oh, that was number 3. 2 more. Now, in instructions, I noticed, which weren't very good. It said something about charging, and let's see, what caught my eye here? Oh, to charge an iPhone in an emergency situation, crank the handle continuously now for 5 to 10 minutes. I could never make 10 minutes. I could make 5 minutes continuous. I could barely make 1 minute. So forget that. I don't have an iPhone, but I guess that's really true for any phone. So I've got to wring out my hands here. Gonna get the blood flowing again. Boy, that turned kind of hurt. But you know, my hands are 100 years old, so a younger person probably won't have any problem at all, except you don't want to break that crank. You break that crank, forget that idea. Okay, that's a minute rest. Stop, clear, go. Okay, this will be number 4. Only 1 more after this. And the red light is on. And it also says something in instructions about the speed at which you crank it. You got to crank it about the speed I'm cranking it. It's about 1 revolution a second. And it says if you crank slower than that, it ain't going to charge. I'm slowing down. What are we up to? Oh, 30 seconds. Only 30 seconds. I'm glad there's only 1 more after this. This made me last video. Oh, my fingers get numb. Whine, whine, whine. Both me and the radio. Whine, whine, whine. I'm coming up. I'm going to make it. Made it. I made it. That was number 4. So we got 1 more to go. And I'm not repeating this test to get an average or anything like that. Okay, we got 1 more to go. I rest my hands. Reception is very good on this radio. And it's only $15 or $14. I forgot what I said. It's under $15. AM, FM, NOAA weather. Under $15 with flashlight. It runs both on this rechargeable battery pack inside. If you look at the previous video, one of the gentlemen has taken this apart and he told us what the battery is. I don't remember. And you can use 3 AA batteries. Okay, we're going to go for it. We're going to stop, reset, Take a breath and go. Last one. This will be number 5. Trying to keep up a constant speed of 1 revolution, at least 1 revolution per second. At least. A lot of resistance on this. And I could see if you crank this thing 100 times without stopping, I'm sure the plastic would break. Got to be nice and consistent. Think about something else while you're cranking. Try not to look at the clock. Whoa, I about lost it there. That's where you could break it. If you kind of get out of sync, you can break it. 48 seconds. We're getting there. Heading home. I'm on the home stretch. 53, 54. 60. I made it. 5 minutes of total cranking. Not continuous though. So we'll put this back in its little hiding place. And we're going to try to turn on. We're going to turn on the flashlight first. See how bright it is. Oh, boy, it's bright. Whoa. That hurt my eyes. Now we'll turn the radio on. And we'll tune it. I don't know what a band I'm on. Oh, I'm on the weather band. I need the antenna. Here we go. Works perfect. Yeah, what I'll do, I'll let it run for a few minutes. Well, I need to have that antenna up, I guess. There, I'll let it run for a few minutes while I'm recording, and if it lasts longer than that, I'll stop the recording and I'll turn this down for a second. I'll stop the recording and then I'll let it continue to play, and I'll put in the description below how long it played on the radio. I'm not going to try the light. And probably in real use, what you do, you turn the radio on for a few minutes and listen to what the conditions are. You turn it off and then you use the light as needed. I will turn the light on temporarily. Yep, it's still on, right? Turn it off. So that was only 5 minutes of cranking from a drained battery. So I'm going to look at the clock here and see we're at 13 minutes of total recording time. So I'm going to let this go to, say 15 minutes, because it's kind of boring just listening to me babble. I don't know anything else I can tell you about the radio. I can tell you maybe about an upcoming radio. Let's do that. Let me turn this back up. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's there.
Scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms. Wednesday night, west winds around 10 knots.
Okay, and there's a lot of variables. I mean, depending on the volume, will depend on how long it'll play. So if you play it loud, it's going to use more power.
Inland water is smooth. Scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms.
Okay, this is the next radio I'm going to review. This is a GPX. It's AM/FM shortwave, and it wasn't very expensive. I don't remember the price, but it wasn't very expensive. So we're going to review this next.
Scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms.
Strong, still strong.
Your coastal waters forecast for the KHB32 listening area for the following marine location. Coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs out 20 nautical miles. Issued at 9:49 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
I mean, you could take this camping or to the beach, and if you lose it or if it falls in the water, $15, no big loss. Okay, we're coming up on 15 minutes. I'm going to stop the recording and I'll put in the description how long it played on the radio. I check the light every once in a while.
Isolated thunderstorms. Tuesday night, west winds around 10 knots. Seas 2 feet. Bay and inland waters a light chop.
Okay, that was 15 minutes. Total show time. I don't remember how long it's been on. Oh, it's been on about 4 minutes because I cranked it for 1 minute and this is continuing to run. So I'll use this and I'll subtract the 1 minute of last crank. So that'll give me an indication of how long it played. So it's already played 5 minutes, over 5 minutes. Okay, that's it. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. And have a great day. Bye-bye. Be sure to check back and look at the description for how long it played.